Hi, it's Ann-Marie here. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm so glad you made it here. So, I am a spiritual artist presently living in Ontario, Canada, just a couple of hours west of Toronto. The kind of art that I love to make is full of vivid colors, rich textures, symbols, and intricate patterns. My most recent series is I'm painting angels. So come have a look and don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you would like to know more about me, my website is annmariecheung.com. And I hope your day is filled with joy and magic. Bye for now.